Nice. Okay. So nice to meet you again, Jay. So how about Annie? So hello, Annie. Nice to meet you. My name is Teacher Iris. So is your name Annie?
Yes,
Yes. Wow. And how old are you, Annie?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old. Wow, that's very good. And do you also go to school like Jay?
Yes, I do.
Oh, and what's your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject is art.
Art. Wow, you like drawing? Do you like
Yes.
drawing? Wow, that's very good. Teacher also likes us to draw things. What are the things that you like to draw?
I like crayon.
Oh, you like crayon. And what do you draw? What do you draw using crayons?
Um,
Do you
draw.
draw animals?
Yes,
Yes. And what's your favorite animal to draw that you like to draw?
it's the cat.
Oh, cats. Wow, that's very good. So good job. So since teacher is asking you this question about school, it is because it is somehow connected with our lesson for today. So can you read again our lesson for today, Jay? What is our lesson?
It's outdoor activities.
Okay, very good. And since you mentioned earlier that you like PE, which is physical education, so it is somehow connected in outdoor activities. So when we say outdoor activities, it is the things that we do outside our houses, like in the picture, as we can see. So most of the children at the picture, so they are students and they are at school. But in this one, so they are doing outdoor activities. So before we start our lesson, so I have a question for you both first. So let's start with Annie. Okay. In your school, Annie, what are the outdoor activities that you do at school?
I
So
play badminton.
Oh, wow, that's a very good sport. Only badminton?
Yeah,
Yes, wow, that's very good. Thank you so much. Annie, how about you, Jay? What are the outdoor activities that you do at school?
I walking, uh, walking, talking, and make many things with my mm,
Friends? With your friends?
yes,
Wow, that's very good. And do you like to play sports?
yes.
Oh, what
Sometimes
sport? Hi.
I like hide and seek and badminton.
Oh, that's very good. So same with Annie. So you also play badminton. So very good. Thank you very much. And hello, Bill. Nice to meet you. My name is Teacher Iris. Is your name Bill?
Mm, my name is Bill.
Bill. Wow, nice to meet you again. And how old are you, Bill?
I am 12 years old.
Oh, 12 years old. And do you go to school?
Mm,
Do you go? Do you go to school? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes. And what's your favorite subject at school? Favorite subject? Do you like English? Do you like
this
math?
is English. Mm,
Oh,
Math.
wow. Math.
Vietnamese.
Oh, Vietnamese?
Vietnamese. Uh, and sport.
Oh, sport. Wow, that's very good. Thank you so much, Bill. And since our lesson for today, Bill, is all about outdoor activities, so these are the activities that we do outside our houses. So I have this question for the three of you. So I already questioned or I already asked Annie and Jay. How about you, Bill? What are the outdoor activities that you do at school?
Mm, I play I play badminton.
Oh, badminton also? Wow. How about do you play soccer or football? No.
I play badminton and
Oh,
watch TV.
watch TV. Wow, that's very good. So for this one, thank you very much for all of your expressing your ideas and what are the outdoor activities that you do every day. So now let's go with our next page so that we can proceed to our lesson. So thank you so much and nice to meet you all. So now let's have our lesson one. So can you read our lesson one, Annie?
On the school ground.
Okay, very good. So our lesson one is all about on the school ground. So let's take a look at the picture. So they are, or these children are on the school ground. So when we say school ground, it is outside the school. So where students play outdoor activities. And hello, Jack. Hello. Okay, so before again we start our lesson,
Hello,
so let's
teacher.
hello, nice to meet you. Is your name Jack? Is your name Jack? Is that correct?
Yes,
Oh, how old are you, Jack?
I'm 11 years old.
11 years old. And do you go to school?
Yes,
Yes, okay. And what's your favorite subject at school?
my favorite subject is
Do you like English? Do you like PE, math,
um,
science?
physical education.
Oh, you like physical education. Wow, it's very relevant to our lesson for today because we are talking about outdoor activities. For that one, when we say outdoor activities, Jack, so these are the things that we do outside our houses. Now, teacher has a question. So before we start our lesson for Jack, so since I also asked Jay, Annie, and Bill this question, what are the outdoor activities that you do at school, Jack? Jack, what
Mm,
are the outdoor activities that you do at school?
I
Do you also play badminton like Annie, Bill,
I
and Jay?
play football.
Oh wow, you play football. That's very good. So thank you very much, Jack, for your introduction. So now let's start our warm up here. So for this activity, you will choose and circle so that we can complete the story. So now let's have Bill. Let's have Bill. And can you read this one, Bill? Can you read this sentence?
Mm. Is play time at school. My class is playing kickball today.
Okay, very good. Good job. Thank you very much. How about for Jack? Can you read and answer this sentence? Oh, it 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 already has an answer. So very good. So let's read the sentence. It Jack. It is.
It is a fun game. Then is a picture.
Okay, very good. So we will answer in this one because when we answer this one, it might be inappropriate for this sentence. So we use an for vowel or before vowel sounds like e, o, u. So we use this word before vowel sounds. So for example, when teacher changed this word to exciting. For example, it is tapos then and exciting. So what will be the answer? Is it or an? Let's go with J. If teacher change, it is or an exciting game. What will be the
Excite
Yes, what will be our answer? Is it or an?
and
Okay, very good. Because as we can take a look at this word, so it starts with a vowel sound. So it is letter E. So we use an before vowel sounds and exciting. But for so we will use this one. So very good, whoever answered this one. So for so we use this one for the consonant sound. Okay. So next, let's have Annie. So can you read and answer this sentence?
is rolling the ball.
Then this one, Trevor.
He, he is rolling the ball. Trevor is a kicker.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's read this on name. Let's say Trevor.
Trevor.
Okay, perfect. Very good. And good job, whoever answered this, and good job, Annie. So we will have he is rolling instead of he is rolls the ball because this sentence pattern it is a present continuous tense. So it tells us what Trevor or what Dan, this one. What Dan is doing. So he is rolling the ball right now. So next, number this one. We don't have number. So let's have this one for the next. Let's have you want to answer Bill? Okay. Go, go, go. Let's read and answer this one. Oh, Jay answer. Okay. Let's go and answer. He is.
He is kicking the ball. Their ball is flying.
Okay, very good. So our answer here is because we have a singular subject. So we will use is for are. So we will use are for subjects we, they, and you. So we are kicking the ball. They are kicking the ball. So for is, we will use it in subjects he, she, and it. Okay, so very good. So perfect. Good job for all of you and also for Bill. Okay, now let's have the last one for Jay. Okay, this one.
I am running and catch the ball.
Okay, very good. So for our answer here is running because this is a present continuous tense. So it is what is happening right now. So we will use verbs with ing for those present continuous. So I am running and catching the ball instead of I am run and catching. So it is or it does not or it is inappropriate in this sentence. So very good. So good job to all of you for this warm up. So now let's go with our, okay, so these are the answers. So very good. So let's now go to our questions here, or let's have a true or false activity. So let's have again Annie. Let's read and answer. Number one.
Kickball. Kickball is a game.
Oh,
False.
are you sure?
Yeah.
Why do you say that kickball is not a game? Let's have this one. Can you read this one, Annie?
My class is ball
Playing.
playing kickball today. It is a fun game.
Okay. Now let's take a look at the true or false. Is kickball a game? True or false? Or is it a
True.
yes? True. So very good. So yes, kickball is a game. So this is a kickball. So let's take a look at the picture. So when we say kickball, so you are kicking the ball. Okay, so next, number two for Bill.
Friend likes playing kickball.
Is it true or
False.
false? Are you
False.
sure?
No.
No? Okay. Let's have this one. So this one is, the one who is telling the story is Finn. So in this story, do you think Finn likes kickball? Yes or no? It's it's
Yes.
a It's a yes, it's true because he thinks that kickball is a fun game. So therefore, so he likes to play kickball. So it is a true also. So very good, nice try, Bill. So it's okay. So next, number three for Jack. Can you read and answer this one, Jack?
Then um,
Is
false. False.
okay. Let's check if it's a
It
false.
is false.
Okay, let's check. So Dan, can you read this one? Dan is Dan is what is Dan?
Pizza.
He is a pitcher. So when we
Pizza.
say pitcher, so do they throw the ball? Yes or no? They
No.
are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So when we say pitcher, so it is one position in or at baseball. So pitcher, so they are the one who throw or rolls the ball. So they, so for this one, it is a true because Stan is a pitcher. So nice try. It's okay. So next, now let's go with, let's have a new words or let's practice some words here. So let's have a J. Can you read this one?
Hide and seek. Hide and
Okay.
seek.
Hide and seek, very good. Do you have any, since you've mentioned earlier that you are playing hide and seek with your friends, can you tell me, Jay, what is hide and seek?
Uh,
Are you the one who told teacher that?
one pupil is
Okay,
a
one thing
sick
is
and
seeking.
a, a player hide.
Okay, very good. So other people hide. So one people is the one who is seeking or finding the other players. So other people hides like this one. So this one is the seeker. And this one, so they are the one who are hiding. So that is the rule of hide and seek. So it is a game. Okay, so very good. So now let's have Annie for our next outdoor activity.
Jumping, jumping rope.
Okay, perfect. And do you know what jumping rope is, Annie?
Yeah,
Have you played jumping rope before?
yeah.
Yes. And can you tell to our class how can you play jumping rope?
I holding the rope and jumping with the rope.
Very good. I hold the rope and jumps with the rope. So you can play jumping rope with by yourself. However, you can also play with other children, like this three children. So the two children here are holding the rope and they are rolling the rope. And the one who is in between, so she is the one jumping. So that is the rule of jumping rope. So these are our two outdoor activities. So very good. So next, let's have a bill for our third outdoor activities. Outdoor activity. This one, Bill.
Is playing tag.
Okay, very good. It is playing tag. And do you have any idea how can you play playing tag? Or have you ever played this game before? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And can you tell to the class how can we play this game?
Very good.
Is funny.
It's it's
Funny.
fun. It's fun game, yes. And how can you play the game? Let's take a look at the picture. So
Picture.
what are these children doing? Are they running? Are the children running?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, very good. The children are running. So and they are touching each other or another child. So that is playing tag. So you are like for the one who chases, so they need to touch another child. And when they touch another child, so it is this child will be the one to chase another child to touch. So that is a playing tag. Okay, so that is the rule of the game. So next, Jack, this one, our next outdoor activity here.
Badminton.
Badminton, very good. And do you ever played a badminton before? Uh, the,
Yes.
yes, wow. And how do you play a badminton? By looking at this picture. How do you play badminton? What do we call this one that they are holding?
Um,
We call them as
racket.
okay, very good. Racket. So we have a racket here. So we use a racket for us to this one for us to throw or hit the shuttlecock to our enemy, and they will catch the shuttlecock, so it will be reverse, or both of the players will give an effort to be able to catch this shuttlecock, and uh, whoever whoever player which will not catch this one, so it is they will not get the point. So the one who will lose will not catch the shuttlecock. So that is how you play a badminton. So it is like similar to a tennis. So tennis is also an outdoor activity. So we also use a racket in order for us to throw or hit a ball. So the difference between badminton and tennis, so tennis uses a ball. But in this one we call this shuttlecock. This one shuttlecock. Okay? So that is for badminton. So next, let's have a more vocabulary here. So let's go with a J again. Okay, let's take a look at our first word. Chase,
cheese.
very good. So with your, okay, one more time, let's say chase.
chase,
Okay, perfect.
Chase is running and chase uh, 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 something.
Yes,
Uh,
very good. Chase is running after something like in this picture. Jay, what is the dog doing in the picture?
the dog is chase the ball.
Very good. The dog is chasing the ball. So very good. So
God,
next, let's go with a bill for our second word.
close eyes.
Close. Very good. And what do you mean by the word close, Bill? When we
mm,
say close, like in the picture, close.
he is close,
Closing. What is he closing?
close is
His. What do we
is
call this?
is sleeping,
He is lipping. Very good. He is lipping. But in this picture, so we will use the word close. So he is closing his eyes. So when we say close, so we are shutting something. Or like, for example, we have a door. So we open and close the door. So when we close the door, so no one can get in. But when we open the door, so anyone can get in. So, yes, that is a she. Very good. So that is a she. So we just use a Bill's subject. So for this one. So for this one, we use close when shutting something. Okay. So next, third word for Annie.
Now,
Okay, very good. Do you have any idea what is count?
one,
Yes, very good. Count is saying numbers. So saying numbers in order. Like for example, here we have all the numbers up to 10. So 1, 2, 3, up until 10. So that is counting. So we are counting to 10. So that is count. So next, number four or fourth word, Jack. What is our next word?
heat,
Heat. Okay. Can you describe to teacher what is the word heat by looking at the picture?
The
What
burn
is
is the burn is hit the bone.
very good? The girl is hitting
Hitting the
the
ball.
ball. Perfect. So the girl in the picture is hitting a ball. So when we say hit, so we are striking something. We are striking something. Like for example, when we are playing a volleyball, like in the picture. So for us to play this game, so we need to hit the ball, like in this picture. So that is our word. So let's have more words here. So let's have again for J, hold. What is our next word?
hold,
Hold. So what is hold for you, Jay? Let's take
I
a look at
hope I
I hold.
mm, mm,
What do you hold?
what wood
Wood.
wood yeah
Yes, very, very good. So hold. I
a
hold.
sword a sword
Okay, thank you so much. So I hold. So we use this word when we are saying something about yes, mouse. I hold the mouse. So we when we are saying something about holding. So we are keeping something in our hands. For example, this one. I hold the pencil. Jay holds a comb. Is that a comb or a ruler? Oh, that's a ruler. Oh, Jay holds a ruler.
yes
And that is the use of the word. So next, Bill, for next word. What is our next word?
Jumping.
It's jumping. Very good. Jump. So for this one, what is the girl doing?
She, the girl is
Playing.
playing.
What does she playing? It is one of our examples in the outdoor activities. It is jump
The girl
rope.
is playing jump rope.
Okay, very good. So the girl is playing jump rope. So when we say jump, it is pushing ourselves off the ground with our feet so that we can jump. Like in this outdoor activity. So we are jumping in this activity. We are using our body to jump and to push our body off the ground. So that is jump or jumping. So next one, number 3 for Annie.
try
Try. Very good. One more time. Let's say try. Let's say try. Okay. Do you have any idea, Annie, what is try? What do you mean, or what do we mean by try?
I try catching the ball far
Very good. Catching the ball far. So when we say try, so we are making an effort. We are making an effort to do something like what Annie told. She is trying to catch a ball or the ball that is far from her. And also like in this animal in the picture, which is a duck. So the duck. Okay, Annie, what is the duck doing in the picture?
the duck is is trying fly
Yes, very good. So the duck is trying to fly. So the duck is making an effort to fly. Because most ducks, so they cannot fly because they are heavy. But other ducks, so they can fly like birds. Okay. So next word is for Jack. Okay, what is our next word, Jack? Jack, are you there? Okay, what is our next word, Jack? It is
It is turn.
turn. Very good. Do you have any idea what is turn
Turn.
based on the picture? What can you say? What is the hand doing?
Mm, she the hand can finger turn round.
Very good. The hand or the finger is turning around. So perfect, very good. So
Turning
in
around.
yes, so when we say turn, so we use this word when we are moving around or changing direction. So for example, so we are driving a car and then the map said we need to turn left. We need to turn left or we need to turn right. So we will turn left or right. So based on what the map said. So that is turning. Okay. So next, so let's apply these words to our next activity here. So for this activity, you will choose and write a word and you will discuss your choices based on the picture. So now, can we read the words here? The words that we have here, Annie, can we read all of these words?
Flying high and seek, jumping rope, playing tag, playing badminton, charging, closing, counting, hiding, holding, jumping, trying, turning.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's read again these words, Annie. Let's say playing. This one. Let's say playing instead of flying. Let's say playing.
Playing,
Okay, very good. So this one is chasing.
chasing,
Okay, perfect. And this one is hitting.
hitting,
Okay, very good. Good job. So now let's have a J. Let's go with the number one. Let's go with this sentence.
They play tag.
Very good. They are playing tag. So let's take a look at the picture. These children are playing tag. So next, and this one,
They
Bill.
is
Okay, this one is for Bill.
Amy is she is
Yes. This
is
one is Amy.
she
What is
is
Amy doing? What is our word
country.
for she
She
is?
um,
What is
hitting.
are you sure? What is
No,
our word for running after someone? What's our word? Starts with letter C.
she is running.
Yes, she is running. But we have one word for that one. It is this one. Che.
J J
You can
chasing.
very good. So she is chasing everyone. So when we say chasing, so we are running after someone. Like what is Amy doing? So she is running to get other players. Okay, so that is the use of the word chasing. So good try. Okay, next number three or this one. This sentence for Jack. She is. I think your microphone is unmute. I think your microphone is closed, Jack.
She is she is
Jack, your microphone is not on. Jack, she is. Let's try to answer. She is. Jack, you don't want to answer? Okay.
Um,
What will be
she
the answer?
is
What will be our word for or that means making an effort? What is the word? making an effort. Starts with letter T.
She is running to catch them.
Are you sure? Do we have a running in this
Um,
word?
turning.
Yeah.
She is turning.
Is she turning? When we say turning, it is moving around. She is the other T. What is the
Is
other T?
closing. She is closing to cut them.
No, we are not closing. This one. What is
Trying.
this word?
Trying.
Trying. Very good. So when we say trying, so we are making an effort. So like this one, like Amy in the picture. So she is trying to catch them. So she is making an effort to catch them. So nice try. Okay. So next. Okay. So next one is for Annie. So can you read this sentence and answer?
They are playing hide and seek.
Okay, very good. So let's take a look at the picture. They are playing hide and seek. There is a seeker and there are also players who are hiding. So very good. This is hide and seek. So next sentence for a J.
John is John is he, he is closing his eyes.
Okay, very good. He is closing because John is the one who is seeking. So when you are seeking, so you need to first close your eyes because you will give a chance for the hiders to hide. So you need to close your eyes. So very good. So next sentence is for Bill.
He is. He is
So so
too.
we have numbers here.
He
So
is
we have a
holding to
Is he holding? When we say the word saying numbers in orders, because in order in order, because we have here the number 20. So what do you think is John doing? We are saying numbers in order. What is the word? Starts with letter C. What is our last letter C in the this is the choices. He is letter C. Can you find the letter C word?
tunneling.
He is
Tunneling.
he is counting.
Tunneling.
One more time. Let's say counting.
Catching.
Okay, perfect. So very good. So he is counting to 20. So when we have numbers here, so assume it will be about counting because when we are counting, so we are telling words or we are telling numbers in order. So that is counting for this one. So next, let's have more examples here. So we already have this word. So teacher will erase these words. So let me, okay. Oh, that there is the answer. Okay, so for this one, they are playing badminton. So this is one of the outdoor activities that we have. So next, so Annie. Okay. w- Okay, wait for a while, Jay. Okay, next for Annie. What will be the answer to this one?
They are hiding a racket.
Are you sure? This one? This is your answer? Heating? Heat
Yes.
They are
Hitting.
hitting. They are heat.
Hitting.
They are hitting the racket, or they are holding. Hitting or holding?
Holding.
Yes, very good. So as we can see in the picture, so they are holding. So when we say holding, so we are keeping something in our hands. On the other hand, when we say hitting, so we are striking. We are striking something. In this picture or in this game, we are not hitting the racket. So this one is the racket. This one. They are holding it. So the one who are they hitting is the shuttlecock. This is. So they are hitting the shuttlecock. Okay, so that is okay. So let's have a chat for this sentence. Chat. What do you think will be the answer to this one? This sentence. Let's read first before answering. They are. This one is the shuttlecock. This is the shuttlecock. What are they doing with the shuttlecock?
Holding.
Are you sure? Holding? We already used the word holding. A jack. This one is for Jack. Jack.
They are hitting a
Shuttle. Uh,
shuttlecock.
okay, one more time. Let's say shuttlecock.
Shuttlecock.
Okay, very good. So our word here is hitting
Hitting.
because, yes, so they are using or holding a racket. This one is the racket to hit the shuttlecock or strike the shuttlecock. So very good. Hitting is our word here. So next one, let's have a J for this one. This first sentence. J. What are they doing in this picture? They are
They are jumping rope.
jumping rope. Very good. They are jumping rope. So this is the game jumping rope. Next, let's have a bill. This one. What are these two girls doing?
Two girls are mm, are
Are
turning the rope.
they are?
They are turning.
Okay, very good. So they are turning. Good job. The word here is okay, turning. So next, number 4 is for Annie.
A boy is jumping the rope.
Okay, a boy is jumping the rope. He is the one jumping in the rope. So very good. So next one, let's have another activity. Oh, we have the word. Okay, so this one, let's practice some words. So you will choose and complete the sentence. So you will discuss your choices. So for this one,
I
can you read the words or the choices here, Jack? Can you please read what are these words?
And strawberry have small seed outside.
Okay, very good. So seed. So the strawberry have small seed
Seed
outside. Uh,
outside.
Okay, seed because outside of the strawberry, so we can see like tiny bits of seeds. So that are seeds that we can plant to grow another strawberry. So that is seeds or that are seeds. Okay. So next number 2 for J.
grapes are small and
What
soft.
small and soft?
Purple,
What
purple, purple,
what
purple,
is
purple.
it purple? What is the
Yeah.
shape of the grape? What do we call the shape? Shape. What is the shape? Is it round, oval, long? The grapes. What is the
Wow.
shape? Yes, very good.
Oh,
And
over,
they oh,
over,
are you sure? Is
over.
it oval or
Yes,
round?
yes.
Okay, let's check. Is it oval?
No.
No, it's
Even.
round. Round. There is one fruit here. There is one fruit here that is or shapes like oval.
Just,
Yes.
just the information on the Google.
Oh, but we have here the answer. It is round. Yeah. And how about what is? They are?
They are so.
They are soft.
Yeah.
Mm, but what is the color? We have
Hmm.
here the color
Purple.
purple. Yes,
Purple.
they are purple. And yes, also they are soft. So for this one, we have here round because most of the grapes are round. They are round in shape. We have here another fruit that is oval in shape. So next, number 3 is for Bill.
Mm,
Oranges.
orange or
What
or
what what is the shape of the orange?
uh,
Is it
green,
round, oval, or long? Is an orange round,
oval
oval,
or
or oh, are you sure it is oval? When we say oval, it is shaped like this. Oval shaped like this. But when we say round, it is this one is round. So teacher is just don't know how to draw.
orange, orange are round.
Very
They
good.
taste, they taste,
What do
mm,
they taste? Do orange taste sour, sweet,
they taste,
or fuzzy?
mm, choose,
They taste
they
fuzzy
taste
or sweet?
orange. No,
Have you ever tried tasting orange before? Have you ever tried eating orange or
sweet, it's
drinking
sweet.
orange juice? Yes, it's sweet. Very good. So when we drink oranges, they usually taste sweet. That is why many people make them as a juice to drink because it is very sweet and it has a lot of vitamins. Okay. So next, number 4 is for Annie.
And yeah,
A
yeah.
banana is long and
Yes.
yellow. It tastes
It tastes. What does it taste?
sweet.
It tastes sweet. Yes, very good. So banana is long in shape and yellow. It tastes sweet. So very good. So number 5, Jack.
A lemon. That's the
Taste. Let's say taste.
taste.
Perfect.
Sweet.
Is it sweet
And is
or
sure.
sour? Let's say
That's
sour.
is shower.
Okay, one more time. Sour.
Sour.
Yes, perfect. No H. Sour only. Okay, so perfect. And it is sour. What is the shape of lemon, Jack?
It
Is it round, oval, or long?
is oval.
Yes, perfect. So one example of an oval shaped fruit is a lemon. So yes. lemon shaped like oval. So perfect. So next, OJ, number 6.
A peach feels soft outside.
Is it soft?
It's tasty sweet.
Is a
Yes.
peach? Are you sure is a peach
Yes.
soft or fuzzy?
No. Soft.
Are you sure? Have you ever touched a peach?
Fuzzy.
It's fuzzy because it is hairy. Peach has hairs. So when we say fuzzy, so it refers
Uh,
to hairy texture, hairy. Peach are hairy outside. They have little hairs. So when we say fuzzy, it refers to the hairy skin of peach. So it is like soft, but you can feel the hairy feeling. So it is fuzzy. So yes, so your answer is sweet. Yes, very good. Sweet. So it feels fuzzy and it tastes sweet. So when we say fuzzy, it is hairy or it has hairy feels. Yeah, so it is hairy outside. So yes, very good. So next. Okay, so we have here our a grammar. So we have a present continuous tense. So can you read a Bill? What is a present
đó.
continuous tense?
Also,
Bill?
S cộng Y cộng A cộng
They are
A cộng
they are
O.
Boris
Biết rồi, cái này biết rồi.
Continual tense
Continuous?
English now. I love
to indus in this car. An action. The that is happening right at the moment of of
Speaking.
speaking.
Okay. Okay, let's read this word again, Bill. Let's say continuous.
Mm,
This one. Let's say continuous.
Continuous.
Okay, perfect. Next one is indicate.
Indicates
Perfect. Moment.
moment.
Okay, very good. Okay, so when we say a present continuous tense, so as what teacher said earlier, so it indicates an action that is happening right now. So these are the grammar that we use when we are describing an event that is happening right now. So we usually see verbs with ing in this sentence pattern. So we have here for our positive sentence pattern, we have the subject or who is the focus of the sentence. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. So is or am based on the subject's personality or characteristics. And the verb with ing, like for example, watching. So that is kind of verb with ing. And the object will be at the end. So for the negative, so we will use it. So we will just add. We will add not when or before the verb with ing. So for positive, we are like answering yes. And for negative, we are like answering no. So for example, for positive, I'm learning English now. So for negative, I'm not sleeping at the moment. Okay, so that is the use of this sentence or this sentence pattern. So for this one, everyone, since we do not have much time, so teacher suggests that for your homework, so you try to practice this grammar, present continuous tense, and try to make your own sentences with this pattern. Okay. And also, for some of you, I can see that you mispronounce most of the words, but it's definitely okay. So, practice reading more words. You can practice listening to some words and practice saying it out loud so that you can practice your pronunciation, and especially with the words that we have learned today. So practice making sentences for those so that you can be able to understand it fully. Okay, because some of you are somehow confused with these words. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone. So it's nice to meet you all, Jay, Bill, Jack, and Annie. So thank you so much. You may now take your rest after this class. And goodbye. It's nice to meet you all. Thank you so much. You are all very good. You did a great job, everyone. I can see that. I can see your effort in learning English, and keep up the good work. So thank you so much. And bye bye, everyone. Thank you. See you
Goodbye,
again
teacher.
Bye,
soon.
teacher.
Bye.
Bye,
Goodbye.
teachers.
Teacher.
Thank you.